Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pyntreikam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pynwit ka khuslai laha miet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorka Jelau Bakhmi Ikatanat Puli Puti Rakam Sangma Hakishpotrik Julia Araja Apsan Ulaong Balada Pyntreikam Yaga Inalaim Permit Meghalaya Kamday Ban Pynwit Yaki Nong Jungok Kai Pertegi Bawan Shangkai Suwari Shangni Jela Hakijengkren Bigala Patai Kubor Rakam Ulaong Bakalong Babahas Kadai Lada Meghalaya Kayo Yaka ILP Krang Ban Dubla Ban Perking Yaka Jingrung Jingmi Lai Lan Jung Gibriyo Banabar Henry Kalong Ru Jing Pynwit Yaki Nong Jungok Kai Pertei Kamlong Kabadai Namar bagi day ginong aija yagi pajba nong song gajala kibasanya yaga kam kamai jakpo naki kam jungok kai pertei.
For me, ILP there are two things you have to understand. So whether we introduce ILP or not, the coming of the tourism will not be stopped because they are coming as a tourist. They are here to promote the tourism. We are here to promote the tourism. So ILP is not all about the tourism. It's all about the regulating the people coming in. Yes, so the main thing of the ILP is to stop the illegal immigration for settling, right? So we have many look across the state, right? You see many illegal immigrants in the state without any record. Government doesn't have. But for me, right? Yes, ILP is only for regulating of the illegal incoming to the state. However, we have the in-place mechanism, 6th schedule, the Land Transfer Act, the other MRA, SSA, right? We are in power. Whether in power, we have the Dorba Snow, we have the Nokma, every locality, we are in power, we are well equipped to detect whether there is any illegal settler or not. But only this will work systematically only when everybody takes the responsibility. If every Dorba if every Nokma scrutinize, detect any illegal immigrant, who will come there? Because the land belongs to us. Land belongs to the community. So it doesn't mean that we can buy land and then settle here. No, in Meghalaya it doesn't allow. Many procedures have to be followed. District Council, NOC from the Nokma, NOC from District Council, District Administration, all things will be required. So I think it's not easy in the Meghalaya directly to come and just settle like this. But however, in terms of level, in terms of there are many illegal immigrants coming in without the proper input to the government. So yes, well and good if ILP could be introduced, we can regulate better. However, be it ILP or any other system should not stop like a tourism, which is like a bread and butter to the state. We don't have any industry in the state. Therefore, tourism is the strength for our economy. Therefore, I wish that tourism should grow proper, and we should benefit our people are getting a livelihood out of this. So let's work out better way so that our tourism grow better in a better system.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.